Today we're going to talk about sweet pickled onions, one of my favorites and something that you'll usually find in my fridge. I'm going to do that keto today, sugar-free, but if you prefer, you can use a traditional sweetener. These are great on salads, they're great on wraps, and it's really simple. You just need onions, vinegar, water, salt, and whatever your sweetener is. I think you're going to absolutely love this, and please go ahead right now, if you would, and click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. The ratios on this are really easy to remember. We're going to take a cup of white vinegar. We're going to take a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I've got some baking Splenda here, which has the same ratio as regular sugar, and just about a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're going to take this mixture over and we're going to bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, we add 2 cups of chopped onions. Let it continue on high heat for about 2 minutes, and then kill the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, take it and transfer it into the container that you're going to use to let it chill for 4 to 6 hours in the fridge. And there we have sweet pickled onions. I think if you try these, and I really hope you do, you'll find that you'll keep them in your fridge as well. Salads, wraps, a variety of other things, and I'd love to hear other comments on new ideas for them. Please go ahead, if you will, right now and click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.